Gemini Spark is designed to make everyday tasks faster by combining AI-powered assistance with smart content generation. It can help users brainstorm ideas, write and rewrite content, summarize information, answer questions, organize thoughts, and turn simple prompts into useful results. Whether you are creating articles, studying, researching a topic, or looking for quick answers, Gemini Spark can act as a flexible AI assistant that saves time and reduces repetitive work. One of the most interesting capabilities of Gemini Spark is its ability to understand your instructions and transform them into practical content. You can use it to generate ideas, explain complicated subjects in simpler language, create outlines, improve writing, and assist with research. Its conversational approach allows users to refine their requests and continue working with the AI rather than starting from scratch each time. But what makes Gemini Spark different from other AI tools? Its combination of speed, creativity, and intelligent assistance makes it worth exploring for students, creators, professionals, and anyone who wants to get more done with AI. From generating content and solving problems to helping you explore new ideas, Gemini Spark could become a powerful addition to your daily digital toolkit.